JavaScript helps the users to build modern web applications to interact directly without reloading the page every time. Okay, so main uses of JavaScript is web development, mobile applications, games development, web applications. Okay, in these scenarios, JavaScript will be widely used. Okay, so now this is a small introduction about the JavaScript. Now we will discuss what are the prerequisites are required in your system for for Node.js. Okay, so first one is Visual Studio Code you need to install. After that, Node.js you need to install. Okay, so after that, you just go to the any folder. You just type cmd, okay, and then press code dot, space dot. How do this? This will how to hide this? Okay. Okay. So first of all, we will discuss about what are the how to declare the variables in JavaScript. Okay. So we can declare the variables. So constant a equal to 10. Let b equal to 10. C equal to 10. So variables here, I am going to store 10 in A. Okay, so 10 in B, 10 in C. But I am declaring here three different types. So one is constant, let, var. So what is the difference between these three? Okay, so difference between let and var we will discuss in if else statements. Okay, so console.log, it is used to display the result in console. Okay, so in some here how to display the terminal means you can go for new terminal or else press control plus backtick. Backtick means the key above the tab, that will be called as backtick. Okay, so oh shit. So how to run this Node.js means here, sorry, I will delete this. So first go to this. This is a file. This is folder. Okay. So click on this file and give some name basic.js. Okay. So if you want to write the program in TypeScript means you go for .ts file. Okay. So constant a equal to 10, let a equal to 10, where a equal to 10. So sorry, not a, b, c. So if you want to display anything on console means you need to write console.log a. So how to execute this means node. If you press tab means, so what are the files available in this? So you can easily display, you can easily get it. So press enter. So it will display 10. Okay. So difference between constant and let means, suppose if you want to change the value of b like 20, then you can change it. Console.log b, you can change it. Okay. But you can't change the value of a. Why? Because you have declared a as a constant. Okay, it can't change, it cannot change. So that's why assignment type error, assignment to constant variable. Okay, so this is the main difference between constant and let. Let and var both are used for same purpose, but difference is it is let will be used in block level, variable is used in global level. Okay, these two, the difference between let and var we will discuss in control statements, if and else blocks. Okay, then you can easily understand it. So this is about variables declaration. And next one is data types. So what are the data types available in this JavaScript? So string, number, boolean, undefined, null. Okay, so here string means, so let a equal to asset. Okay, so what is this data type? String means we will declare, we will give the value in quotations. Okay, so what is this data type? How can you know that? Here we are not mentioning any data type. We are not mentioning any data type. So how can you know that data type of this let variable? Sorry, a variable. So type of a, see, string. Okay, so let b equal to 10. Console.log type of b variable. So what is this type? Number. Okay, so implicitly, see, data type will be assigned. Okay, so how can you know that the data type means type of that particular variable? Okay, so next, let c equal to false. See, boolean. Let, see, I didn't assign anything. So what is that data type? See this, undefined. See, here for null, it will consider as object. Okay, so if you want to display this null, okay, for null, so implicitly it has been assigned with object. Okay, so these are the data types.